The code M7748 in your Bobcat loader telehandler means that the machine won't be able to start and run since it has problem with key switch circuit. The trouble code means key switch multiple error, and when the code is on the screen, the key switch will not be working properly. There are three most common reasons for this problem, and it's almost never about the key switch module itself. First of all, you may want to check the fuses and relays in the fuse box. There aren't many of them, so it makes sense to check all fuses for continuity and then check all relays by just swapping them and seeing if this makes any changes in the behavior of your Bobcat. If you are lucky enough, the problem will be solved at this step. But a more common issue is the wiring problem. Your Bobcat has a bunch of wires beside the battery. Unfortunately, some of those wires rub on the battery and sometimes they are getting shorted. In most cases, it's quite easy to see because the damaged wire will be visible without any disassembling. And although solving this problem is not that easy on your own, at least you now know what causes this mysterious issue with the key switch unit. And finally, the problem may be with the internal short in the attachment control harness. There is the connector for the ACH unit beside your battery, and you can unplug it and try starting your Bobcat. If now you see other codes and errors, you've just identified your problem and you'll need to look at the attachment control module or wiring. There have been reports about unplugging the key switch module and then plugging it back, and this helped eliminate the problem for several hours. But I believe it's not going to fix the issue for a long time, since these modules are pretty simple and almost never fail or develop a glitch of any kind.